Good morning. We are here in Claremont, North Carolina to start a full sand. There goes the Good mobile. We're going to be here about 4 days. Let me take you guys inside. I'll show you what we're up against, so stick around. We were here about a month ago. This is a duplex. We did this side. It was a maple full sand. And we're here to do the other side. This is a full sand as well. We'll be here probably 4 days. This side is not maple. Ta-da! Brazilian cherry. And this floor is in definitely need of a full sand. It's got lots of wear, and a bunch of UV fading. It's amazing what the sun does to hardwood floors. Look at that. It had an airy rug, obviously, but that's what we're up against. We're going to be doing this little hallway over here. In this main living room slash, I guess we'd call it kitchen and dining room area. All connected. You can see how much wear is here. It's definitely been lived on and loved, but we're going to get it looking like new again. Look how bad it's worn out here. And then this little dining room here. Got a little water damage here from some plants. That should sand out, we hope. But anywho, oh, and this laundry room. Made my first couple passes. Coming off beautifully. It's gonna look fantastic. Alright guys, lay down and see it. Look at this floor. OMG, Facebook. The end of day 2. We'll be back tomorrow to abrade and put down the 2 coats of super ceramic fortify. But look how good this floor looks. Alrighty, see you tomorrow. Alrighty everyone, here is the results of the sealer down. Look how good this floor looks. We're about to abrade and get down our final 2 coats. We're going with super. From Loba, ceramic fortified finish. But look how good this looks. We're gonna get 2 coats down today. We'll come back and show you the results. All right, first coat of poly going down. Look at this floor now, come on. Can we get an OMG? There you go. The final coat is down and drying. All right guys, here's the final results. Dry. Look how good this floor looks. OMG. Once again, as always, thanks for watching. Remember how worn it was here? Fantastic.